Okay.
Wait, come here. Come here. Whoop. I'm trying to do it one-handed. Where'd you go? Come here, Nick. Why do you want me to open it? There's nothing in it. Hey, Nick, who's on TV right now? Who's that? Who is it? What's his name? Is that Mickey?
Me.
Hey, Nick, do you want to go to the brick?
How? How?
Who lives there?
Me.
Grandma and Papa? Where's Papa? You silly goose.
Me.
Is that Mickey? He's on TV right now. Hang on, Nick. I gotta go see your brother. He's acting silly over there. What are you selling? The tall house? When are we going to the tall house?
For Turkey Day.
Yeah.
Yes.
Who else is going to be there with us?
Ah.
Yeah.
What was that thing before Alex?
Turkey Day? The tall house? That's different from the brick house.
The bed.
What?
Mommy. Ow.
Yeah, you guys all done with your breakfast?
Yes.
What are you doing, Nick? Alright, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. To the movie. Bye-bye.
I want to do that down in the cave.
Alright, we'll see. Bye.